Orange Tree Golf Club, Monday, April 7th, 2014. We're on number 9 green here. Temperatures are up. We're in our active Bermuda grass growing season. Average daily temperatures 87, 88 degrees. Nighttime lows 62, 63. Other than a minor cold snap approaching, which will only drop the temps a few degrees and will be short-lived. We'll be right back up to our high 80s, slowly entering the low 90s. It's now time to get on our aggressive thatch management program and grain management. As you can see, Hector's on the Verti-cutter. We've got the Verti-cutters currently set at 3/30 seconds below bed knife, which just goes down to cut the stolons just into the crown, and that just removes some of the horizontal growth, as our goal here is to get as much vertical growth as possible, which helps the ball roll on top of the turf. Also helps allow sand to work down into the canopy. If you've got too much horizontal growth, the sand will just sit on top and more than likely just get picked up by mowers. Again, this also helps with grain. The vertical growth allows the ball to roll on top, and the ball will not be affected by grain too much. We'll go ahead and verti-cut these greens in 2 different directions. First direction will be in somewhat of a 6 to 12 direction, and then the second pass will just slightly alter that 6 to 12 direction to make sure we go in and get a good clean cut. Again, this just helps keep the ball rolling smoothly, and we'll continue this process throughout the entire summertime. Once a week minimum, followed by a very light dusting of top dress. Keep this grass healthy and happy, and the ball rolling very well. Even in the summertime, I know in the past we're only to have average green speeds of approximately 9 feet on the stimp meter, but with this new Champion Ultra Dwarf, we're very confident that we should be able to have 10.5, 11 throughout the entire summer, which I know our membership should be very excited about. It's a great grass. It held up the test of wintertime, although we only had 2 minor frost events this year, which worked out wonderfully for us. But we were able to maintain 10.5, 11 pretty much most of the season. Able to kick them up to 12 for special events. With as undulated as these greens are, we really don't want to get them much past 11, as a majority of our membership would not be very happy with that. Some of these pin locations would be unusable. But again, summer is on its way here in Orlando. Hopefully you guys up north are finally starting to see some grass underneath all that snow and ice. But the heat wave's coming down here, and we're excited to have our membership out here during those hot months, and look forward to seeing everybody out here.